This is what to watch on Wall Street for the week ahead. Let's look at the calendar to see when major economic reports are going to be released. On Tuesday, we get the Consumer Price Index. Then Wednesday is a packed one. We get housing starts, industrial production, the PMI Manufacturing Index flash, and the weekly oil inventory data. But that's not all. Most importantly, the Fed will meet and make an announcement on whether it's going to raise interest rates. Shortly after, there's going to be a Fed chair press conference. Finally, we end the week with jobless claims. One report that will get extra attention is the Consumer Price Index. This is an indicator of inflation, and the Fed will be paying close attention, factoring the results in with their decision to increase interest rates. The stronger than expected Producer Price Index numbers for November could point to a higher Consumer Price Index.
The Consumer Price Index is going to be extremely important next week because it's going to be the last data point that the Fed gets before it decides whether or not to raise rates. Now, inflation has been extremely tame over the last year, but we are expecting the core CPI to come in at around 2%, which is going to be right at the Fed's target. So it will be really interesting to see whether that last data point will push the Fed enough to raise rates.
On the earnings front, we begin with VeriFone Systems on Monday. Then midweek, we get results from FedEx and Oracle. Continuing on to Thursday, we hear from General Mills, Red Hat, and Rite Aid. We end the week with CarMax, Darden Restaurants, and BlackBerry all reporting on Friday. For the latest financial news and updates from Wall Street, check back on TheStreet.com throughout the week. I'm U-Jin Lee in New York.